Tom always dreamed of opening his own bakery. Every morning he woke up before sunrise and went to work at a small bakery in his town. At first, he made many mistakes. Sometimes the bread was burned, and the cakes were not perfect. His boss sometimes scolded him. But Tom never gave up. He kept practicing every day. After a few years, Tom became very skilled. People came in larger numbers to buy his bread and cakes. Finally, he saved enough money and opened his own bakery. It was small, but it was full of happiness and the smell of fresh bread. Tom realized that all the mistakes, hard work, and patience were worth it. He smiled every morning as he baked bread, knowing that success comes to those who never give up.